Login loop error on Chase Mobile fix. If your Chase Mobile app keeps looping back to the login screen no matter how many times you try to sign in, don't worry, you're not the only one. Most people think they've been locked out, but the real cause is usually something much simpler. The Chase app often enters a login loop because of corrupted cached data or outdated app permissions. Here's how to fix it quickly and safely. First, completely close the Chase app. Then go to your phone settings, find apps, select Chase, and tap on storage. Clear both the cache and the app data. This removes any outdated login information that's conflicting with Chase's security system. Next, reopen the Chase app and log in using your username and password manually, not through autofill. This ensures the system registers your credentials fresh from the start. If it still loops, check that your phone's time and date are set to automatic. Chase's authentication process depends on real-time synchronization. Even being a few seconds off can cause the system to reject your session. Still stuck? Disable any VPN or network proxy you're using. Chase blocks logins from suspicious or masked IP addresses for security reasons, which can trigger the login loop. If none of those steps work, uninstall and reinstall the app. This gives you the latest version with all recent security patches and fixes. One more tip: after reinstalling, enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID. It not only makes logging in faster, but also reduces the chance of login conflicts in the future. So remember, the Chase Mobile login loop isn't about your password, it's about syncing your device, clearing your cache, and reconnecting securely. Follow these quick fixes, and you'll be back managing your account in no time.